Hi.
It's 27 degrees out here today. I gotta get this thing ready to go take this motor and trans and stuff out of this thing. It's cold. Start this thing up. Whoa, Taylor. Thing out. That's a temporary use only tire. This is a JK wheel. I don't see no shocks in there. You see any shocks? I don't. Check out this trailer tire. No shocks. Man, Dana 35, got some rat poison, keep the mice out. There ain't none in here, but it's in there. Check out this little tire. That's sweet. Got shocks up here. Look at that. Rough Country, a Rubicon Express spring. Look at it, just shake. Steering, the hoses are gone. I don't know if you can see down there. Pitman arm needs a nut. I got one in my pocket. Nice interior. Very nice. What do you think, Sabo? Huh? Is this door open? Yeah. Nice. JK wheels. No adapters. You get out of that. That ain't for you. What? What? Thing's frozen. Love them wheels. Oh, is that the wrong key? Whoops. Oh. There's the right key. Really nice toilet paper. 3. There's 3. 4, 5, and then the 6 on top. Take 2. Finally moving. Yeah, gosh. Is it out yet? Real slow. Here it goes. Buddy. Woo! Somebody put a seal in there. Yeah, buddy. That one wasn't even leaking too. Sweet. Sweet. 242 for my 9er. Transmission on my off-road rig. Transmission. Alrighty. How to get to your crank sensor position sensor. Right there it is. See that thing right there, the wire? Look how easy it is. Look, 11mm bolt. Pop that sucker right out of there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Jumpsuit right now. I don't get dirty. Oh, my lipstick's stuck. Oh, there you go. Get in there. Get in the hole. Caught on everything. Get in the hole. This thing was not shifting gears good. It was 2 quarts low on fluid, tripping all over the place. It's all nasty. That thing is tiny. That's your vent. That's where they talk about welding or plugging that up, putting a vent in the top, and then the top back here, pipe thread, and then hooking a hose to it and running it up. Well, this will get done. I don't know if I'm going to do this or someone else. What is this crap? Well, this is it. Now, here's the back of the engine if you want to see that. There's your crank sensor. Look up here. You can see those holes. It's not leaking. Motor's coming out. It's going to get rebuilt and going in my other Jeep. Look how rusty that sucker is. That's right.
A very merry Metallica Christmas. It's Metallica, January 30th at US Bank Arena. Oh, and the Switch station is giving you the most free tickets. That's right, 96 Rock, your Metallica station.
One way for as low as $55.
Ain't no 4-point slow no more.
97% customer satisfaction rate.
And I think he understands.
Do a walk around. This is an alternator. Oh, look at that exhaust crack. No wonder it made funny noises.
These were known for that. Get you a set of headers for it.
That's right.
Right off the bat, a good set of pipes. Lifetime warranty pipes.
Got a new water pump, new alternator, new oil filter, new oil filter sending unit.
Didn't John just spend all that money on this?
John spent all kinds of money on this. I think he rebuilt it. John, did you rebuild this?
Order online or visit your local Panera for more details.
Supercharger. Yeah. Smoothie mixer. Look, new spark plugs, new distributor cap. Man, whoever had this took care of it, but they never washed the engine.
I'm gonna show them the back of this.
What a mess.
Just burn it down.
Yeah. Somebody, oh shit. I just kicked the hose out of there. No, it won't stay in there. There it goes. Stay. Careful now. There's gas on the floor. Someone changed the fuel pump. Cut a hole in the floor. And look how full that thing is. It was almost to the top.
Push pull. Now make sure that harness comes out around and it should be clear. That's it. Where are you going with it?
Set it there. Woo!
Take that home with you.
Take that home.
Somebody else steal it.
Someone steal
I
that.
could have that sold overnight.
Sheesh. Yeah, buddy. It's done. It's done.